Hi, I'm going to go through the basics of the Liu Jie, which is the 6 healing sounds. So the first one we're going to deal with is the opening stance. Before we start anything, I'd like to greet you. Okay, so the secret is to kick your heels out, then turn the foot outer edge straight, outer edge straight. That is how you find your shoulder width. Find lots of people tend to mess that up. Okay, so this is just for you to understand how to get it. From the back, same, kick out, turn, turn. Okay. The next thing, your hands, interlock the thumb, the palm over the palm, below the navel, which is the area below the navel. It's called dantian. Okay? So let's start. The first one we're going to do is the opening. Soften your legs. Raise the heel of the left foot off the floor. When you place your heel down, make sure that it's heel first and then shift. Okay, I'll do that from the back. Soften. Heel. Shift. Okay. That is another way for you to do your... I'm going to stand 3/4 ways, make life simple. Here, notice, I sink, in, out, shift. Okay, now the first opening sequence. You're going to, your hands on the side, don't tighten the palms too much. Relax the hands, what we call a slight cup inside the palm of the hand. You are going to bring your hands slightly forward. We use the one palm away from the body. Okay, from here, forward, bring the palms facing up. Then raise the arms to the solar plexus. Then turn. And notice this area does not go above. Okay, this area. So when I raise, I'm not raising the shoulders, only raise the arms. Turn and push down. And then sit, push palms forward, palms face forward. 3/4 way. So from here forward, up, turn, push down. Notice everything's away from the body. Sit back. You'll notice that when your palms go up and you sit back, it's a counterweight that is happening. As you push forward, it accommodates the backward push. From here, push. And then spiral the hands, catch the ball. Catch the ball, interlock as we did in the beginning. Okay, forward. This one is best shown forward. Okay, from here, palm, raise, turn, push, sit, same time, push and sit. Palms face forward, fan the palm out, catch the ball. And then, as you raise your legs, you interlock to finish on dantian. That's fairly simple, yes? Okay, now number 2. Open the palm, knife edge sits on hip bone. So when you turn, waist first. Then palm pushes out, extends not above, in line with arm. Then pull back. Now I'm going to show you what happens to the back arm. Spiral waist first. Notice the back arm twists the whole body to here. And then when you use the leg, the lower body, watch, turn, pull the arm back. Okay, so this one turns, allows this to come back. Okay, I'm going to exaggerate the move so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. So I'm going to turn sideways because I want you to see something that is not observant sometimes on the video. When you turn, notice I'm turning. See, body, torso is facing in line with the side of my body. Then as I turn, notice, turn, the arm can come out straight. This one is pushed back. This one is pushed forward. Now, watch. Back. The same with the opposite direction. And back. The common mistake? When you don't turn enough in the waist, you end up doing this. This is incorrect. No. This is correct. Okay? Now, this is the second move. Now we go to the third one. The third one, in the front, I need you to see what I'm doing. So everything gets slid along this edge of the arm onto the waist. So when we are here, this first move, the hands are slightly at an angle. Now we pull the elbows back slightly, and we're going to push. Cup. Notice I'm not bending my head to look at the palm of my inner palm of my hand. Raise my legs and arms simultaneously. Then turn out. Notice, straight. These hands gently touch. Then push down. Then push forward again. All the way forward, 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 forward. Sit. Now, draw a heart. Cup the hands. Up. Show you this from the side. From here, 3/4 better. From here, forward, cup, up. Watch my hands, they tilt but they don't come under the chin. Here. Then push the elbows out, forward, and push down. Now sit, push, draw a heart with the palm of your hands, catch. As you come up, raise the arms towards the chin. And down. Now we're going to change over to the third one. Push. Heart, bat, open to the ball. Catch the ball. Now when you push back, Gently, not against the body, away from the body. Everything is just slightly away from the body. And out. In. I'm going to show you from the front what is happening. So we're going to push out. Notice my arms widen and they come back in. Imagine you have two pogo sticks. You know what a pogo stick is? The thing that you jump on, okay? So you've got two sticks and you're pushing. You push in and release. So we don't show that because Qigong is gentle, but the dynamic tension is push firmly in and release. Okay, and be careful that you don't lean forward. Okay, that's number 3. Number 4, from this move, you're going to come back in. Now, drop your hands. Then, remember one hand the width away from your body. So from the side again, raise like in the beginning. Difference is now you're going to drop the elbows. And you're going to turn. As you spiral these hands, you spiral so that the back, like you want your shoulder blades to close. Now watch this move, how to tilt your head. You raise the shoulders. That tilts the head. And then, as your palms and arms extend, you sit. Then spiral the palms up, pull towards you, drop the elbows, spiral, raise, release. Now, this technique, I found that many people, they do this. Now watch this one. When you spiral, this point is the acupoint. There's an acupoint here in between the shoulder here. Okay, so you're going to connect that one with that one. We're not going to deal too much with that at the moment. So this acupoint aligns with each other. You push back. Now when you don't do this, this is not good. You're breaking your line. Okay, so from here, raise. So as the spirals out, spiral out, and the release of the shoulder allows the extension of the arm. So once again, okay, now the last one, or at least second last one, Shui. From here, as you come up, spiral back, hands to the back. When you go down, massage under the buttock, cheek, round the buttock cheek, alongside the side. Along the side. Now watch. Release. Retract. The triangle, belly button in the middle. Triangle covers around the belly button. Massage. Firmly. Repeat. Down the center. Under the buttock cheek. Firmly. Release. Find lots of people tend to do this. Okay, that shows you have no control. From here, remember the massage has to be calculated and very, very firm. When you get to the ends, gently release, but keep the palm firm. Okay, and back again. Now we're going to move on to the last movement. That's movement number 6. 6 is bring the palms down. Keep it away from the body. Open. Turn the palms out. Back to back. Raise the legs. And palms simultaneously. Don't go up. Okay. All in line with the shoulder. Now watch this move. We're going to open. This is remain stationary. All I'm doing is spiraling the arms open. So from here, naturally opens the palm. Look, don't look too high. Remember, you're going from 45, you're looking up, and then back down. Okay, this is up, which is basically forward. Then spiral back down, and now watch. As you drop, you use the legs first. Drop the legs first, push out, spiral in. Palms face out. Okay. Close. Use the legs. Spiral arms open. Close. Repeat. Now I'm going to show you a few tricks. As you pick up, this is fairly simple. This one, as you drop from the solar plexus out, like you want to swim, and turn. Okay, when I face you, same thing. So we start here. So here we go. Drop your palm, open, up, spiral, bring back down, eyes drop as well. As you sit back, open, palms out. Okay, then repeat. Change again so that you can see better. I'm going to show you the end move. Palms are out. All you're going to do is turn the palm face backwards, turn the palms face forward, and come up and interlock. And you're back where you started. Okay. I'm going to do this one for you backwards. Okay. So we are here. We finish the second last move. So in, spiral, so open, there was one thing I noticed. When I do it from the side, I'm going to show you something. Here. Pick up. Forward. Finish in front of you. Okay. Palms back. Forward. When you massage, you have these clasps. You're going to press in with that lowered below the belly button. You're going to cup the belly. You're going to do 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Alternate. 3, 4, 5, 6. You wait, calm, allow the body to calm down because we excite the yang chi. So we need to allow to go back to yin. Then close.